Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change display quality on SONY ZV-E10 Mark II. To do that, let's turn on the camera, then open menu, scroll left to the sidebar, then scroll down to setup. Here in setup menu, you're gonna have to scroll down to monitor option, and then you're gonna have to select display quality, and if you want a higher display quality, select high, and this will result in better image quality overall, but it will also increase your battery consumption. So you can also stick to the standard quality, and it's generally not that bad. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.